Ben.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Gum.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so today we're gonna talk about
Animal.
animal. Yes, very good. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so Ben, can you write for me? Monkey.
Monkey.
Where's the monkey? Now you say
Monkey.
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 Do you like monkey?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what color of the monkey?
Brown.
Brown. Yes, very good. Do you know what food do monkey like? Do you know? Monkey like banana or
Banana.
banana? Yes. Now you say monkey like banana. Now you say monkey.
Banana.
Monkey like
Monkey like banana.
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 Yes, very good. So gum. Show me. Where the kangaroo. 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 Where is this? Yes. Now you say what is this?
Kangaroo.
Do you like kangaroo?
Yes, I do.
What color of the kangaroo?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. So Ben, where the hippo? Hippo. Where is this? Hippo. Yes. Very good. Now you say
Hippo.
again.
Hippo.
Do you like hippo?
No, I don't.
Tell me what color of the hippo?
Pink.
It's pink.
Pink.
It's pink.
Pink.
Now you say is pink.
It's pink.
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 Yes. Gum. Where the giraffe? Where the giraffe? Yes. Now you say
Giraffe.
again.
Giraffe.
Do you like giraffe?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So can you tell me, the giraffe have short neck or long neck?
Long neck.
Yes. Now you say giraffe
Giraffe
have
has
long neck.
long neck.
Okay. Do you have long neck or short neck?
Long neck.
No, you have short neck.
Short neck.
Now you say I have
I have
short neck. Okay. So Ben, where the elephant? Elephant. Yeah, very good. Now you say,
elephant.
do you like elephant?
No, I don't.
Okay. So elephant have small ears or big ear?
B E.
Yes. So now you say elephant
Elephant
have
a
big ear, and you have big ear or small ear?
big neck.
You have big ear or small ear? Yeah. Now say I have small ears.
Small ear.
Okay, very good, Ben. High five, Ben. Yeah. Okay. Gum. Where the tiger? Yes. What is this?
Tiger.
Again.
Tiger.
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 Do you like tiger?
No, I don't.
Why you don't like tiger? It's scared of you? Scared? Are you scared? Now you say I'm scared. Scared. Tiger. Okay. So no, not your turn. Okay. Now your turn, Ben. What's that? You remember? What's that? Gum, tell me, what's this? Do you remember the name of that animals? No. This is squirrel.
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 Do you like squirrel?
Yes, I do.
What color of the squirrel?
Orange.
It's orange.
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 Orange. Okay, so I put here. Okay. Okay, so Ben, what animal do you like? What animals do you like? I say I like.
I like monkey.
Okay, very good. And what animal do you like? Gum? I like.
I like
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Okay, what animal don't you like? What animal don't you like? I don't like.
I don't like
Thai.
tiger.
Okay, what animal don't you like, Gum? Okay, you can show me by your finger. What animal don't you like? Okay, now say I don't like. Gum. Now say I don't like. I don't like squirrel. Squirrel. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. High five, Ben.
High five.
High five, Gum. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher.